Rich Bharat, Rich World. I am Kaveshri, working in Kapil Maharshi Numerology Office as a PRO. Let's speak with Baba Pandurangam Garu, world's high-paid numerologist, excellent life coach and also yoga guru about a new project. Hello sir, how are you?
Happy morning, great morning, rich morning. I am always happy. What about you, Kaveshri?
I'm also fine and excellent, sir.
Very nice, very nice. What is today's topic?
Today's topic is that about actually you will never give anything for free.
Free.
So today's topic is about free. What is
Free. Wow, it's a wonderful day for everyone.
Yes.
So who want to training through my?
Okay.
So this is the wonderful training. This is the only free for who will to go rich.
Okay, if they want to become rich, from Roadpati to Crorepati.
Roadpati to middle class to millionaire.
Yes, if they want.
If you want to become a rich, this class is very important. Every month 2 classes available, and providing food also.
Okay, so on which date is this?
So this month April 17th, evening 4 p.m. to night 9 p.m.
Okay, 4 to 9 will be. Okay,
yes.
17th then.
Yes, age eligibility 19 years.
Okay.
19 years to 55 years.
Okay, then what we have to send, sir, then?
So please send your resume. What is your qualification? What is your aim in your life?
Okay.
If you want to become a rich fastly, so definitely you follow the 3 months my guidance. You definitely become a rich. This is the this is the first time I am not given any courses in palmistry or Vedic numerology and yoga classes, money power smart classes. So many courses is there. No class free.
Free word is not there in your dictionary.
Yes, this is the free class first time.
First time. Okay.
And before 2015, I am giving free classes for yoga.
Okay, before. Okay.
But not these 10 years in the between. I am not given in single 1 NP free. Because mindset, the human being mindset is free. Everything is free. So this is the first time. If you have goals in your life, this is the golden opportunity, and come and attend these classes. Okay, sir. You definitely achieve your goals, your dream car, dream villa, dream lifestyle, and costly watches. This is a 6 lakh watch. Okay. Costly lifestyle also.
Okay, so the date is 17th.
17th
and
time is 4 p.m. to 9 o'clock.
Yes,
the place also, location also, Secunderabad.
Yes, sir.
Secunderabad. I will send the location and address also. Okay?
Okay. If you want to enroll, please call us. And the timings is, office timings is 10 to 5 o'clock in the evening. Either please call us or send message also.
Yes. After 5 you can send the WhatsApp message.
Yes, we'll reply for your messages.
Okay, thank you. Only this training is offline only.
Offline only. Yes.
Not online.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
It is also
19 to 55.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Happy Bharat, Rich Bharat. Please forward this video near and dear, and who want to become a rich. Okay?
Yes, please enroll us.